Hi guys, welcome to my channel. 24 hours. 24 hours to lose belly fat. 24 hours to flatten your stomach. Sound like gimmicks, right? Well, guess what? It is not really a gimmick. Today I'm going to show you how you could flatten that stomach in 24 hours. And yes, I said flatten the stomach in 24 hours. Now you're going to say, no, that's impossible. Yes, it is possible, because regardless of how big or small your stomach is, you're going to see some form of a result. If your stomach is 12 inches out, after taking this for 24 hours, your stomach probably will be 11.5 inches or even 11 inches. Therefore, your stomach is flattened somehow. Alright, so if you have something like just a little port and you're looking for that washboard app, in 24 hours you could reach your goal. Regardless of who you are, regardless of your size, you will see some results. So if you're looking to really and truly flatten it, you will have to take this a couple of 24 hours, if you get my drift. So if you're interested in this video, continue. Now our first ingredient is water, and this is hot water. Now make sure to know that you're gonna need a lot of this throughout today. So here are the ingredients. These are organic lemons. You're gonna need at least 2 jumbo lemons. Our next ingredient is carrots, and fresh organic carrots is best. You're also gonna need some oranges, and you're gonna need some ginger. Yes, ginger for digestion, ginger for weight loss. Get yourself a nice chunk of ginger. And you are also gonna need some green tea, and these are tea bags. If you have loose leaves, those are good just the same. Unfortunately, I cannot put any food on the table if you're gonna do this. However, these are filled with a lot of nutrients and minerals and antioxidants that is gonna rev up the metabolism, and it's gonna basically just flush the system out and flush that visceral fat out of the gut. Before you know it, within 24 hours, you are on your way to a flat stomach. During the course of the 24 hours, you are gonna be drinking a lot of liquid, at least 9 glasses of liquid, both hot and cold. The first glass at 8 a.m. we are gonna be adding some lemon in some hot water. So to prepare glass number 1, I'm first gonna fill the glass up with hot water. Woo! So we're gonna give this lemon a cut. And there you have it. So you're gonna take about a half of a medium lemon. You're gonna squeeze it in it. Ignore that seed. And this is glass number 1. And at 8 a.m. you're gonna have some warm lemon water. Now moving on to glass number 2. And glass number 2 is right behind glass number 1. This is at 9 a.m. Now what are we gonna do with glass number 2? We're gonna drop some orange juice. Don't tell me this is not orange. This is something like a tangerine, but it does the same thing as the orange does. So just use whatever citric fruit you have, but preferably orange or tangerine as I am using. Now make sure to wash your hands clean, and I'm just gonna squeeze this right inside here to make things easy. Now here we have some orange juice, or in my case tangerine juice, and if you like decoration, just drop a piece in it. And you need about a 1/4 cup of orange juice. Next, you're just gonna pour some hot water on the orange juice. And here we have our glass number 2. Refreshing. So, glass number 2, orange juice and warm water. Now here we have our tea bag, and we're gonna be reaching for glass number 3. We're gonna drop this tea bag in, we are gonna fill this up with more water, and this is hot water this time. We're gonna brew our green tea bag. Now for those of you who like sugar, guess what? No sugar in this. So here we have our green tea. We're gonna set this aside to brew for about 3 minutes. Now you need to prepare this a little before noon because we don't want you to skip this step. Talking about the tea is taking too long to brew, so brew it 5 minutes to noon and drink at noon. 1 p.m. we are gonna be drinking some carrot juice. Now, do you want me to go through the entire step juicing this carrot? I don't think so. So what I'm gonna do for you guys, carrot juice, you're gonna scrape, grum, or you're just gonna blend, put it in your blender, and you're gonna get yourself some carrot juice. So you're gonna pour the carrot juice in the cup, and this time, guess what? You are very lucky because you're not gonna be using hot water. You're gonna be using some cold water. Filling our glass up with cold water, and here we have, oh my goodness, this is looking fabulous, carrot juice. This is like you go to some 5-star restaurant, you know, with technology these days. The carrot juice, the color is invisible, but to know it's carrot juice, you get to stick in it. Well, I guess that's what I'm making right here. So this is at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. We are gonna reach for another glass, and guess what you're gonna be getting, guys? Like it or not, you're gonna be getting some green tea. Fill this glass up with about 8 ounces, 6 to 8 ounces of hot water. Just like the tea before, you need to brew this for at least 3 minutes. Now this is now 3 p.m. How are we doing so far? Are you feeling hungry yet? Now moving on to our next glass, which is glass number 6. And one of the reasons why I like this glass so much is free flow. You do whatever you want with this glass. You just have to make sure that it is juice. Now guess what, guys? Carrot was filling, so I'm gonna put some carrot in there. I want some orange or some tangerine in my glass too, so I'm gonna add that. If you have some kale or something like that, just pack it in this glass. Drink whatever you want in this glass. And this is glass number 6. Now moving on to glass number 7, and glass number 7 is at 8 p.m. Now at 8 p.m. I'm already happy because I have all that goodness in glass number 6, so no problem if I have to go back to tea drinking. And that's what we're gonna do in this glass. At 8 p.m. we're going back to green tea, and by now you already know how to make your green tea. Now once you pour your hot water in, you're gonna set this aside for 3 minutes, and then you're gonna drink. And green tea is glass number 7. We are on to glass number 8. And for glass number 8, we are going to be using some ginger. Now, if you're like me and you see ginger, you're very happy because ginger is going to do wonders. Ginger is going to just suppress your appetite. Ginger is going to just boost that metabolism. Ginger is gonna help to burn all of that glycerol fat, and I guess that's one of the reasons why at 9 p.m. we are having ginger. Now ginger is pretty easy to prepare, guys. Now this is gonna be ginger tea, ginger juice, whatever you like. I like ginger tea, okay? So we're gonna take a small piece of ginger like this one, and you can choose to grate it or you can choose to peel the ginger. I personally sometimes just chop it and boil it to make tea. However, for an easy drink, just grate the ginger. Just grate this entire thing, okay? Now once your ginger is grated, you're just gonna go back to the regular, and that is hot water, and you're gonna fill your glass up with hot water. Now here you have your glass number 8 with your ginger tea or ginger juice, whatever you want to call it. I like to just let it sit in the hot water for about 3 minutes, just like the green tea, to brew a little, and then you're gonna drink this down. Guess what, guys? We're almost done. All right, so glass number 9 at 10 p.m., guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna go back to number 1, and this is all about lemon. So you're just gonna juice that half of a lemon. Now we're gonna pour our hot water. So after 10 p.m., you're gonna drink your last glass. Now it's not really 24 hours as yet because you gotta go sleep, right? Now here is the lineup. This is what you're gonna have in 24 hours. 9 glasses all filled with goodness. Now let's do this one by one. Glass number 1. Glass number 1 is at 8 a.m. and it is warm water and lemon juice. Moving on to glass number 2. Glass number 2 is at 9 a.m. and this is warm water and orange juice. Glass number 3 is at 12 noon, looking all fabulous, wonderful color, and this is actually green tea, and this is at 12 noon, and it's glass number 3. Moving on to glass number 4, and here we have our invisible carrot juice. This is glass number 4, 1 p.m. carrot juice. Moving on to glass number 5. Glass number 5 is at 3 p.m. and it is green tea, and this is warm tea. Moving on to glass number 6, and glass number 6 is our best friend because it is juice of our choice. Mine is filled with carrots and lemons and oranges and beets, and just put whatever you want to put in glass number 6. Moving on to glass number 7. Glass number 7 is green tea. Whoa! And glass number 7 is at, guess what? 8 p.m. And glass number 8. Glass number 8 is another of my favorite, and this is some good old ginger tea or ginger water or ginger juice. Whatever you want to call it, it is warm, and it is glass number 8. Glass number 8 is at 9 p.m. Moving on to glass number 9, and glass number 9 is at 10 p.m. and it is our good old warm lemon water. Here you have it, 9 glasses of goodness to get rid of your belly fat in 24 hours. Now you're gonna take this drink and you're not gonna eat anything with it, so make up your mind that this is gonna be a liquid fast for 24 hours, except for our glass number 6, which is our favorite, that basically you could call dinner depending on what you put in it. Also, glass number 4 is not a bad glass at all because we have carrot juice, and carrot juice is also filling. Alright, so there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I like it. Don't forget to share the video, leave your comments, and if this was the first time watching, look below. You're gonna see the word subscribe. Guess what? Bling, 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 bling. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, there's a little bell, that little bell at the side, like a church bell. Click on it and you're gonna see a parentheses. With that parentheses over the little bell, it means that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to get that notification. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.